please make a note in your diaries that on the 19th of December, we will have no morning service at church. This is because we'll be having fun at the Christmas Fest. And also on the 26th of December, on Boxing Day, we'll also have no service on that day as well. But there are plenty of other things happening, so do get those dates in your diary that there'll be no services on those days. But join us for the Christmas Fest, our carol service, our Christmas Day praise, and other things going on. Make sure you don't miss out on our final craft session here at Excel Church on Tuesday at 6:30. It's the last one before our big Christmas Fest, so make sure you let us know if you come in and do join us for that last Christmas craft sesh. This year we're having a massive kids party for all the kids at Excel Church, which is really exciting. So this is going to be happening on Thursday the 23rd of December at 3:30 in the afternoon. So parents, you can get your children's tickets online, book them a place at excelchurch.org.uk/kids at Christmas, and you can pick up a letter in the foyer with a bit more information. But it's going to be a good one, guys. We're going to have games, there's going to be a free McDonald's meal, right? That's happening, and there might be a visit from Santa as well. I can tell you there definitely will be a visit from Santa. So it's going to be a good one. Parents, get your kids booked in for that because you don't want to miss out for the kids party. Our Friday night kids and youth programs will be now taking a break over the Christmas holiday season. So you can join us back in January, where we'll be back in the building with everyone for some fun and games for our kids and youth ministry. This year we've got lots happening at Christmas, including a really special carol service with a children's nativity on Christmas Eve at 6 p.m. So make sure you come along for this, but although it's a free event, you've got to book tickets. So tickets will be available from the 1st of December. So you can get your ticket, invite a friend along, get their ticket, and come along for some fun in that evening. And do note that on Christmas Day we'll also have a service in the morning at 10:30, but you won't need to book for that. You can just come if you like on Christmas Day before you have your Christmas dinner. So that's for Christmas. Want to get baptised? Well, we've got a baptismal service happening on January the 16th next year in 2022. So why not take the dunk and let us know if you'd like to get baptised next year, or let someone else know who might want to get baptised. Spread the word, it's happening next year, January the 16th. And that's all for Excel News. So if you want any more information, head to our website or get us on social media for more regular updates, and have a great week.